All right, done. So, Iman Gadzhi lays out a 4-step process for making $10,000 a month with online coaching, even if you don't think you're an expert. Step 1 is to find your unique value zone, or UVZ. It's about getting super specific. He says not to just pick a broad market like health and fitness. Exactly, but even deeper. He says you go from a market, health and fitness, to a niche, weight loss for women, and then to a UVZ, weight loss for postpartum moms. You're solving a very specific problem for a specific group.
When you dine at an omakase restaurant, you're not paying for food, you're paying to have one specific experience.
He uses a great analogy for this. He says a generalist UK pub competes on price, but a specialist omakase restaurant can charge a premium because they've mastered one specific thing. That's what having a UVZ does for a coach. Step 2 is creating your high-ticket offer. It has 3 parts: the core problem you solve, the specific result your client gets, and your unique solution or mechanism. Not really. He says the simplest way is to just give your existing approach a unique name. Like, instead of "I help beginners play guitar," you say, "I use the 3-chord system to help beginners play their favorite songs in just 2 weeks." It sounds way more credible.
I use the 3-chord system that helps complete beginners play their favorite songs in just 2 weeks.
That's step 3, the client acquisition system. He covers 4 ways: cold outreach, paid ads, which he says to avoid at first, referrals, and his favorite, organic content. He says you should create content specifically for your UVZ to build a micro-personal brand that attracts the right people. Step 4 is a bonus on how to be an A-player coach. He says you need to act like a doctor. Diagnose your client's specific problems before prescribing a solution. It's all about understanding where they are, where they want to go, and what's stopping them. He also covers how to structure your calls to be super professional and effective.
No problem. Now, about that dinner. So, for a detailed and actionable PDF version, please see the link in the description.
Well, that's about 31 minutes saved. See you next time.